between a hot flash and a mood swing. I've got you. How's your sleep going lately? I know for a lot of women, that's really something that they struggle with. Basically, because we think too much. Stop overthinking it. You know what? You're not going to change him. 95% of who we are is run subconsciously. You can only change you. So you start focusing on your sleep, ladies. Take some valerian to help you fall asleep and stop your monkey brain from going crazy. Take some chamomile, hops, passion flower to help you to stay asleep because between 10 and 11, your hormones are actually trying to fix itself. And the main reason why you sleep is so that your DNA can regenerate itself into and pick up all the little mistakes that happen to you during the day and fix it. But basically, you will go crazy if you don't sleep. Make sleep your friend. Get a nice pillow, get a good mattress, your body temperature, check it all.